in the EYRC finals, I was not able to answer on the spot. Like if a question was given, I used to think about the question. I had the answer, but I was not able to frame it. But after the internship, we had so much preparations and demonstrations in front of the whole team. So I am prepared a bit, and now I can see the change in me. Like now I am able to answer the question.
One who deals with the hardware has a fear in mind, like if the hardware is get damaged, then what will happen and all. But this fear, we can overcome this fear just by practicing with the hardware. So Yantra gave me that opportunity to work with a big hardware kit having a Firebird also within it. So we did the whole project and lots of experiments with that hardware. Before working any component or hardware, you have to read the datasheet and the libraries before using any component. Before doing any connections, first multimeter is very important. Like you have to check before doing any connections, like if the connectivity is there, you are not connecting VCC and ground. So all these stuff you have to keep in mind.
For the EY SIP, we created a report in LaTeX where we added all the technical specification, like what function does what.
If you felt any experiment, then you have to mention that experiment also. Like don't do this.
Just like our mentors, like who worked on the project before the EY SIP, had the documentation, so it was very easy for us to pick up the project, like what is done and what is required to be done now. So we maintained that for the next team which will be working on the project. Heavy tasks which you carry out, you should do on the background, because in case the app crashes or the user goes to the home screen, the process shouldn't stop. Also looking at the problem statement, like it's unimaginable how we can make it in reality.
I was somewhat nervous and I was feeling like, am I able to do all these tasks or not? But our mentors made our journey so easy and fruitful. Like they were not just playing the role of mentor, but they were playing the role of teacher, guide, motivator, and a friend too. Then we were just 9 people working on a problem statement. But after this 2 months of internship, now we are a family.
I wanted to do a startup, like I still want to do, and now I have a good reason to do it. Like I am really motivated towards it. After the EY SIP thing, like working on different projects, I got one idea which I will be developing in my 3rd year and then make it as a BE project. So it's basically a healthcare system, like in which the patient's data from the birth till death will be there. If he visits any doctor, he can give a password like all over the country. The same database will be accessed by all the doctors. They can enter that key for that patient and his whole life history will be in front of the doctor. This data can be used for insurance, like insurance settlement and Mediclaim settlement. In my 4th year, I will be integrating machine learning and image processing in this. eYantra for me is all the crazy minds meeting each other. Like we develop something crazy out of it.